Hello everyone. So this will be my first part of the series where I introduce Jaccard similarity. So what I'm planning is, first I will introduce you on the basics or the mathematical foundation of finding a Jaccard similarity. So Jaccard similarity is actually defined. Okay, let's say you have two set A and B. Okay, and if you want to find the similarity between these two, okay, so it is defined the size, okay, A intersection B. Alright, so you need to have some fundamentals on set theory. So you divide by the size of A, right, union B. Okay, so let's try to represent this in a Venn diagram. So let's say you have a Venn diagram, okay, like this. Okay, so this is your set A and this is your set B, and this will be your A and B. Okay, so it can be, so based on set theory, so we can write this, let's say I use red. So the size of A and B, alright, so you divide by the size of A plus the size of B, you minus with the size of A and B. Okay, so this idea or this definition comes from the definition of set theory. Okay, basically this is what we use to find the Jaccard coefficient or Jaccard similarity between two sets. So let's try to think about one example. Okay, so let's say I have a set A. Okay, so let's say inside this set I have 1, 2 and also 3, okay, for example, and then I have set B, and inside this set I have, let's say I have 1, 2, 4 and also 5. So let me represent this in a set. Okay, so in a Venn diagram, so let's say this is my set A, and let's say this is my set B. Okay, so I will have so if you notice here 1, 2 and 1, 2, actually they are the intersection between these two sets. So you can write your 1, 2 here, and here will be your 4, 5, and here will be your 3. Let's say this is set B and this is set A. Okay, so if you want to find the Jaccard similarity between these two sets, it will be computed, okay, as such. So the first thing you need to find is the size of A intersection B, and the second thing you need to find is the size of A union B. Okay, so in order to find this, okay, right, you can find like this. So the size of A you plus with the size of B, you minus with the size of A intersection B. Okay, so let's try to find one by one here. First, the size of A. So the size of A is clearly 3, all right, and the size of B is clearly 4. Okay, now let's try to find the size of A intersection B. Okay, so if you see here, okay, this will be your size here, that is equals to 2. Okay, so now we have all the elements needed to compute the Jaccard coefficient. So means A intersection B will be 2. Okay, so you divide by, all right, the size of A is 3, all right, plus with the size of B is 4, you minus with 2. Okay, so what you're going to get is 2 over 5, that is 0.4. okay, so basically this is your similarity value. So in other way you can see that set A and set B are 40%, okay, similar. So basically this is the fundamentals of finding the Jaccard similarity between two sets. Okay, in the next video, I'll give you an example using some text data set, and my final video, I'll try to represent this or try to create a function using Python